How to delete your WeCash account. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see many options on the screen, but simply tap on the top left corner. This will open your profile section. Here you'll again see 5 options. Simply tap on the delete account option located right here, which is right below log out. After tapping on delete your account, WeCash app will ask you to confirm your decision by tapping on delete my account. Simply tap on it, and after a few moments your WeCash account will be deleted, and it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.